quick. Pretty sure you guys can see from that area. So today's the day we get the Buick back. $350 after, but we are gonna go get the Buick as we speak right now. I know I'm excited. Smaller pulley, installed. The spark plugs that they provided installed, thermostat installed. So basically the car should be good to go, should be ready to take some beatings, which I'm excited for. My audio, sorry if it's not good enough yet. I'm still waiting for one last piece that's gonna hook up to the camera, but that's where we're heading right now. We're heading to get that Buick. Have to go home, and then my dad's gonna pick me up, and then we'll go from there basically. Back at the game. Hey fool, Dad.
Where's the whip at? Where you at, man? Where you at? Let me see where you at. Oh, I think my Buick's right there. I'm coming for you.
Look, the Buick's right here.
Ready
For the weekend? Yeah, probably. Coming. Hey, ahí está el Buick.
La víctima.
La víctima. Desgraciado. Le bajo el vidrio porque si no. Smaller pulley. Can't even tell. You want to turn it off so I can see? There it is. Small pulley. So I'm going to be removing this and painting the supercharger a different color. Let me just fix my seat, get the leg room going. So the low coolant light is still on. The low coolant light is still on. That service engine tune, I don't know why it's on. And basically we'll figure it out. It's revving kind of different. A little bit different, up and down, but we'll see how it performs. I'm about to do a pull right now, so we're about to do some pulls real quick, so let's see how it performs. I'm excited. Let's do this. Put this bad boy on drive. Go. Ooh, sounds different. That's done it. I messed this baby up. This is something else right here. Look at my pops. So yes, guys, The Buick is back with us. Supercharger, thermostat, spark plugs, manifold, intake manifold gasket, the supercharger gasket, of course, because it was removed as well. So I guess we'll have to find out how it actually performs. It pulled a little bit, but it felt like the supercharge didn't kick in just yet. So let's see. You guys want to see us 0 to 60? Let's try it. But I'm in the streets right now, so I can't do really much. I'm in the hood, but don't hit the, all right, good. I'm like, it's yellow, don't cross the line. So yeah, last time it was not recording well because the sun was hitting it, so I'm pretty sure you guys can see me good right there. But yeah, so we got the Buick, temperature is running good, 2 lights are on, low coolant and service engine soon. I guess we'll run it and see why it's showing that. But yeah, so we're finally gonna hit the freeway, 15th North. That's the pops right there in the front, and I'm right here in the back. The audio wasn't too bad when I recorded the last video, so I hope this is good. Let's try to get a pull. What you guys think? Oh, I don't have that much gas either, so but we'll still do a pull. Performance shift on. Let's just wait for this thing to clear a bit. That's as best it's gonna get. I gotta go to a freeway that is not as busy to get some pulls for you guys, but I think that's gonna be okay. We gotta fill up with gas. I'm gonna run the code reader to find out why it says service engine soon. I just did the oil change, so I don't think it's that, so we'll find out, I guess. And then the low coolant, we just have to reset it, because I already changed the thermostat and I changed as well the sensor for the radiator, so we'll find out. See you soon.
I
have a scanner too. It just arrived.
Check engine. So what you need to do is el foquito de la low coolant se apagó. You got the little bleeder valve right here. We gotta get this tornillo right here. Let's see if it has still a little bit of bubbles in the cooling system.
Right.
That way, this thing can sense that it's not messing up.
What you doing, senior? Playing with the dog?
Yeah. And the mama.
Oh. Damn, girl.
Trying to get her down.
There it is.
He said, I'm out of here.
You already opened it up? No, I haven't even opened. You do the honors. Brand new. Ooh. Let's try it out. Yep. First. Open. Excuse the mess.
current low, mass airflow.
Hey guys, thank you guys for watching the video. I don't want to make it too long, so I want to keep it short and quick. I picked up the Buick from the mechanic. It wasn't running perfectly. There was another code that was showing. As you saw, it was the MAF sensor. Basically, all I did went to AutoZone, got a cleaner, cleaned the MAF, and now the car is running perfectly fine. The light went out. I didn't figure to put that in the video because it's a very simple process to clean a MAF. But if you have questions on how to do it, go ahead and send me a message on Instagram or on Snapchat, wherever you want, Facebook, and I can help you right away how to clean your MAF. It's very, very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. After this video, I want to do like a full review on basically the ZZP package Stage 2. Basically, I want to go in detail the whole complete kit, and basically we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching once again, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, because I know there's some of you guys that haven't done so, because I can see. And also, if you have questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments so I can be able to answer those questions, and maybe for future video ideas. Thank you guys once again. Bye bye.